Hi all. So today we will see how to create hierarchies in Tableau. Okay, if I want to create hierarchy for city, state, country, we can create a hierarchy on our own. Okay, and suppose if I want to create hierarchy for year, month, day, that is also possible. So we can create hierarchy with any fields. Okay, so suppose I am just taking an example, that is category. Okay, category wise sales. Okay, category wise sales I will use. So you can see the category wise sales here. Okay, suppose if I want to see the subcategory wise sales, again I will drag this subcategory. So now you can see the subcategory wise sales, but I will try to combine this category and subcategory. I don't want to drag it each time, so I will combine this category as well as subcategory wise sales. Okay, so each time I need to drag and drop. So I will try to combine this category and subcategory into one place. That is how we create hierarchy. Okay, for that we need to create a hierarchy. So instead of dragging this category and subcategory, I am going to create a hierarchy for a category. Suppose I am going to create a hierarchy for category. How we can create that? Just drag the subcategory under this category. So they will be asking whether we need to create a hierarchy. You can name the hierarchy as, suppose it is a category hierarchy. Okay, just click OK. So now you can see that a hierarchy has been created for category. Inside that category as well as subcategory is there. So instead of all these things, means all these separate categories and subcategories, I will try to drag out this hierarchy to here. Now you can see that a plus symbol has came here. So when you click on this plus symbol, you are drilling down. That is, you are drilling down this category, then you can see the subcategory. In this case, we don't want to drag each and everything again. So it is easy to create hierarchy now. This is one way of creating hierarchy. The other way is that, suppose I'm having a category or anything, a customer name means right click, create, no, right click and you have a hierarchy here, option here, add, create hierarchy. If you had created some hierarchy, you can add that field to this hierarchy. That is, I have already created a category hierarchy. If you want to add this customer name to that hierarchy means, you can click on add to category hierarchy. Okay, so suppose I want to add one more field into this category hierarchy. Suppose I'm means I want to add this product name to this category hierarchy means, I will just right click, hierarchy, add to category hierarchy, or you can drag this product name to category hierarchy. Any way you can choose. Okay, so now if I'm clicking this subcategory means, you can see the product name also. Okay, this is how we create the hierarchy. This is what we are defined. Okay, but there are some categories which are auto defined. Let's see that. Okay, suppose I am just dragging out this order date. Okay, this order date I am just dragging out. This is having a date data type, right? This order date is having a date data type. You can see the plus sign is there. It is auto defined. So when you click on this plus sign, you can see the quarter wise sales. And when you click on quarter, month wise sales. When you click on day, month, you can see the day wise sales. Okay, when you if you want to swap it, you can see like this. But this is in a discrete form actually. Okay, if you want to make it in a continuous form, you can see an option here. Okay, this year you can click here, and this is actually in a discrete form. Here it is discrete year, quarter, month, day. This is continuous section. You can choose year from here. Okay, I'm choosing here from here. Then now if you drill down, you can see all the things is in a continuous form. Okay, this is a week wise sales, this is a day wise sales. Okay, this is how you create. This is an auto defined hierarchy. Okay, this is already there. is actually in a discrete form. If you want to make it in a continuous form, means you can do it. Okay. From here, right click here. Okay. From here, you can choose the discrete as well as the continuous forms. Suppose when this is useful means, suppose you are a manager and you can see, you want to see the day wise data or a month wise data, means this hierarchy will be very much useful. Okay, suppose I am dragging this order date and suppose I want to see the day wise sales or month wise sales, means just choose the month wise, then you can see the month wise sales here. Okay, if you want to see the day wise sales, means you can choose here. Okay, this is the day wise sales. Okay, so I hope you understood how to create hierarchies and all. So see you on next video. Thank you.